Then I am here to celebrate you and give you all of my tips and tricks that is going to make your Valentine's date night the best night of your life, which means I'm going to give you tips and tricks on all things that you need to carry, how to smell good, all things that goes in preparation, you know, the one-on-one girl talk. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, I did a similar kind of dating tips video which I will leave in the description and even on the screen. And with that being said, you could definitely consider subscribing. I'm your girlfriend Reena, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go! Whatever it is that you need to do to prep for the night, it starts in the shower. If you are really considerate and genuine, you maybe want to consider doing showers twice for that day, because I know most Indians take bath in the morning, and if you are going for a date night, consider taking a shower before you go on the date. That's just my request for you. Double cleansing, you guys. Double cleansing is not just for your face but also for your body. I know that's a news for a lot of you. I need you to hop in the shower before your date and take a nice lukewarm shower and start off with a bar soap, unscented bar soap, or even maybe a Dettol or a Medimix. Just get rid of the dirt and the grime and the sweat off of your body, because you want to start layering your scents. And imagine, you can't start layering scents on something that is already stinky or dirty. You know, you don't want it to be a mix. You want it to be a genuine nice smelling event, right? So start off with the double cleansing, and that means start with a bar soap, after which you want to move on to scrubs. Now, oh my freaking god, I kind of see the hype of this. I see it. I was very late to the party for this, but I am here to stay, you guys. This is from the House of Dove, and this is the body exfoliator. I think I have the oatmeal and calendula variant. Now I went for the most gentle one because I wasn't sure what am I signing up for. This smells delicious. This smells divine. This Dove body polishing scrub is the best one out there in the market. I definitely see the hype, the scent, the variants. Too good. Can't wait to try other variants as well. After you're done polishing yourself, you want to now go ahead and wash yourself thoroughly one last time with that scented body wash. That's the kind of routine I love to follow, and that really works for me when it comes to smelling good, because trust me girl, I've been getting compliments of lately, and that really makes the day, especially when you get compliments on your fragrances. I mean, that is to die for, right? With that being said, when you hop out of the shower, it is very important to moisturize. I don't even care if you're wearing clothes at this point. Honestly, you know what? Don't wear clothes. Wear that moisturizer, wear that body lotion, because when your skin is damp and moisturized, it's when it's going to absorb all of the nutrients of your body lotion. At the same time, the scent is starting to linger. Also, think about it. You don't want to look ashy on your date. Like, you know, you don't want to look crusty, ashy, dry. Like, that's not the vibe we are going, right? We're going looking goddess like. So yes, moisturizer is very important. The duo that I have been using of late for a very long time, as you can clearly see, is from the House of Bath and Body Works. This is their Dark Kiss variant, and I have the lotion and the mist. The duo is the key, guys. Make sure that you are using fragrances from the same range. If you want to smell like vanilla, make sure that everything from the shower till your body mist or your perfume is all of vanilla. For me, however, I am really digging into blackcurrant and, you know, smells that are dark and sexy of late, because the climate is such. And yeah, as you can clearly see, this is one of my favorite go-to, and this lasts very long. If you want something inexpensive, go and try your hands on the Bath and Body Works range. They know what they're doing with their fragrances. Absolutely amazing. Once you're done moisturizing yourself, you want to take your body mist and just spritz it all over your body, not your clothes, because it's a body mist for a reason. So you're gonna mist it all over your body, your skin, especially when it's damp and it's lotioned and it's hydrated. You want to go ahead and use this. Feminine, I would definitely ask you to check out New Me and Savannah. They've got really cute dresses, and no, this is not sponsored. I genuinely feel they've got really cute sexy dresses. And while yes, I'm still in Bombay, it's not the most chilliest in the moment, or just have a pick-me-up moment with your dresses or your outfits, I will highly recommend you to try these kind of stockings. I'm pretty sure you've seen these on Amazon. I got mine from Amazon as well. You get these fleece stockings, and oh my god, these keep you really warm. And the look that you get when you wear this, Oh my god, freaking adorable. I absolutely loved it. This was kind of like my option for Coldplay, but the delivery was late and I opted for another outfit actually. If you want to check out my concert outfit, you can stalk me on Instagram. But yeah, with that being said, definitely consider getting one of those stockings that really elevates your look. And make sure that your makeup does not have sunscreen, because if you are going on a date night at night and if you have sunscreen, oh boy, you're gonna have extremely bad flashback photography done on you, and you don't want to be a victim and prey to that. So definitely make sure that there is no SPF in your makeup whatsoever, especially if it's a date night for the night, and that you gotta be mindful of. When it comes to hair, guys, don't take it too lightly or don't take it too seriously either. I mean, you know, I don't know, when it comes to hair, it's either you are somebody with like rollers in your hair or you are just not giving two F's about it. With that being said, it is very important to use a hair perfume. And yes, you get separate perfume for your hair. While yes, you can use your regular body mist, but these have a lot of alcohol and can be extremely drying for your scalp and your hair. So I would personally recommend, you know, going ahead and using a hair perfume. I got mine from Nykaa, and this is the Pink Raspberry Vanilla Body Mist and Hair Mist. So it's approved for your hair, and as you can see, I've used quite a lot of this. You don't need a lot, you just gotta, like, you know, spray this all in your hair and give it a nice comb, and trust me, this lasts long. So every time somebody's giving you a hug or you're going to parties and pubs and clubs where especially there's smoking areas, I was not even in the room, or maybe I was around the room, why is my hair smelling like trash? So I always love to spray some perfume on my hair, and again, I've gotten so many compliments on this. You can't go wrong with this. This was very inexpensive. So please invest in a nice body and hair mist. I don't know if the glow is evident enough, but this is like my go-to moment. I love to dazzle myself in a really good highlighters that I would generally not use for my face, but I mean, you know, I have them. They're chunky, so I like to use them on my body. The one that I have currently on my body, if this is the kind of vibe you are going for, is from the House of Makeup Revolution. I don't even know if you remember, we had an era of unicorn makeup wherein, do you remember these? Because they were literally everywhere on the internet and people were doing crazy looks with this, with on their face, on their eyes. Now all I do is grab a brush and just go all out, guilt free. And this feels good, looks good, and it is chunky, right? So on my face it might look a lot, but on my body it is just very giving. However, we are not done with the glow party, because abhi to party shuru hui hai. Ta-da! I got this from the House of Plum, you guys, and this is the body shimmer oil, and this is in the peach glow variant. Absolutely love this. You gotta give a nice shake before you use it, that's the only thing. And this smells like freaking peaches, because peach glow, and it feels so luxe, so good on your body while giving you that hydration. I love to use this on my legs, like that is where I really primarily focus this. So yes, if you are wearing the stockings, you would clearly you know, skip on this. However, if you're not wearing the stockings, definitely invest in this, because this looks delicious and smells good as well. So this is how the droplet looks like, and it's a very lightweight oil. It's not your sticky wala oil, and look at that. I mean, look at that. You feel like a goddess. You are like literally glistening, and also you smell like a snack. Now imagine you have followed all of this routine to smell good, to lock your smell. This is an add-on step. This would just make sure that from head to toe you are smelling of fragrances throughout that in conjunction go really well with each other. That is the key. You know, you're making sure that everything is in sync. Personally, I'm a vanilla girl at moments, and this peach and vanilla is chef kiss. However, if you don't want to invest your money in a glow oil because you're like, Reena, it's just a date, I don't want to go ahead and invest on a shimmer oil that I'm going to use very occasionally, which, you know, girl, you do you. In that case, what I have for you is, ta-da! Get yourself the Earth Rhythm sunscreen. It's a body spray sunscreen, and just look at the magic. Do you see that? I mean, it literally, first of all, very cooling, so love that. And yeah, it just gives you this glistening glow while locking all of the powder highlighters that you've literally used so far. It is the best, guys. Like, no way is this going to ever get on my clothes now or anywhere else. It's going to be locked and intact and in place. Like, how can you go wrong with this? You really can't. And you're welcome. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do like a separate glow routine for the body. I would love to do it for you, but here are all of my secrets for you, girly. I mean, I cannot stop looking at myself right now. Like, it is insane. However, once you are done with all of the perfumery and the lotions and the spray to lock everything, we are not done yet. You want one last spritz of your favorite perfume, and the key over here is to use your perfume in specific spots. I don't want you to spray perfumes in the air and just dance around and call it a day. Well, yeah, it might work for few. I personally make sure that I am using my perfumes in specific pulse points so that the chemistry of my body and the perfume can conjunct together and last longer. And there are these specific pulse points that I like to use my perfumes on. So I like to use this on my pulse point, and don't rub this. That is the key. Don't rub this. Then use this behind your ear so that whenever somebody's hugging you, they can smell your perfume. Also around here where you fold your arms, and behind your knees. That is an important place, behind your knees. But yes, here are a few perfume recommendations that have literally fetched compliments for me. I mean, these are my ride or die perfumes. To start off strong, I did not see this coming, you guys, but this is the René Red Noir perfume. I mean, do you see how much I have used this? It's a travel size one that is always in my bag, and oh my god, I literally have a René ka travel set that I got from Blinkit because it was really cheap on there, and I just popped it in my bag, and I have fetched so many compliments, and I've gotten compliments after being licked by a dog. If you know, you know. And I've got around meeting people, and they're like, wait a minute, you smell good. I'm like, really? The dog has taken away all of the sunscreen, the moisturizer, the glam, the everything, and you can still smell this on me? So yeah, have gotten a lot of compliments on this. So yes, I am definitely gonna get a full-size bottle of this, but yes, I'm not gonna gatekeep on this one for you, and you gotta try this as well. It smells very sexy, very girly, very feminine. I'm gonna pop the notes of this right on the screen so I don't butcher them for you, but for me this is like how a sexy girl smells like. She's confident, she's bold, she's sexy, she's subtle. With that being said, the next up on my list is this baby right here. It's from the house of Vanessa, and this is called Desire. As you can see, again, this pairs beautifully because this also has blackcurrant in here, with my Dark Kiss and my lotion. So this just feels like a very long lasting perfume, and again have fetched a lot of compliments on this. If you are feeling sexy and bougie, you can also consider this baby right here. It's from the house of Versace, and this is their Bright Crystal. It smells sexy, it smells floral and citrusy at the same time, and it also lasts very long. So these are my go-to date perfumes for you that you definitely got to try your hands on. Yeah, these are just all things that I think you should do before you go on a beautiful date and have fun. And I really hope you find this video helpful and entertaining. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. I am hoping this year to get to 10k subscribers, so this is your chance to help me achieve my dream. And yeah, that's a wrap. I will see you soon. Bye.